Hey guys, it's Amber. Long time no see, it feels like. If you can tell from my voice, I've been really sick, which is why I have been delayed in filming. So I'm putting up another declutter, so bear with me. I'm hoping to be able to film at the end of this week and get something else up. I'm going to be coming back with a get ready with me and an update to let you guys know everything that's been going on. And I just want to say this was my first time filming with my brand new camera. And I filmed at my mom's house and it picked up like so much background noise and the focus was just off, but I didn't realize how sensitive the sound was on this because I literally filmed these all in like 1 day or 2 days, but like I didn't watch them back before I filmed the second half anyway. So just bear with me with the background noise and the focus. Thank you guys so much for sticking by me while I've been gone. I promise I am coming back. I have lots of new, fresh ideas, and I'm really excited to get back to filming, and I've missed it. It's been so long since I filmed a proper video, like, so long. Anyway, I will get into the declutter now. Hey guys, so today's declutter is going to be my blushes. So, if you guys haven't watched any of my other declutters, you can skip ahead. I will put a timestamp of when I will stop explaining how I do my declutters, but if this is your first time, basically, oh, this is a highlighter. I am decluttering to be moving, and so I do want to downsize my collection a little bit, and I also want to get rid of some things that are just older, things that I'm just not reaching for. I'm also trying to eventually start going more cruelty-free, or there's some items that are not cruelty-free that I'm going to be keeping to try to use up to like pan them, and there's some that I'm going to be passing on. If there's something that's really unique that I feel like I would rather just use up, I may keep, but I'm going to try to downsize it, but also there might be some things that are obviously not cruelty-free that I'm not going to get rid of. I'm not doing a total purge of non-cruelty-free, just trying to work towards that direction. Now with the makeup I get rid of, I know sometimes it's hard for people to watch me get rid of all the makeup. They'd rather me just keep it all, but I don't need all of this, and so I would rather just pass it along to people that will enjoy it. I give it to my niece and her friends or my family members, my sister-in-law, my sisters, so there's a lot of people that I can give this to if they don't want it. So I know some of you are like, hey, pass it my way, but I have people that I give this to that could use it, college students and people that can enjoy having some more makeup. So that is a little bit of my disclaimer. Also, I'm not getting rid of just low end and keeping high end. I'm just getting rid of things as they feel like they fit what I want to have in my collection. Also, I may be getting rid of things that are your favorite. I might be keeping things that you hate, vice versa. It's just my personal preference and what works for me. Alright, so let's see. Off the bat, I'm going to pick out a few things that I know that I want to keep, which is my little Too Faced blushes. I really like these blushes. I feel like they're really pigmented. I love the size of them because I feel like this is something that I could actually use up and not have it be like a giant blush that I have forever and ever. So I have these, I got these in a Christmas bundle, and I've got Love Hangover, Justify My Love, and Your Love Is Key. Okay, next, let's see. I love this NARS blush. This is in Matahari, and it's one of my favorites. I keep it in the box so it stays nice. But this is one of my favorite blushes, so I'm definitely going to keep this. This Shumer blush, I think I'm going to put into Project Pan, so I'm going to keep this. I'm also going to try to pan this blush all day. It's one of my favorite blushes. I love this blush. So I think it's worth trying to use up, but it is a MAC, so there's that. I really like this face paint from Alouette, which is kind of random. I got it in a Boxy term, but I really like this. I also really like this e.l.f. blush. I like this Studio Makeup. And yeah, I like both of these. I didn't get this too long ago, but I still like this. It's a lot more sheer blushes, but I'm actually really enjoying it, so I'm going to keep this. Okay, let's get rid of a few. These two ColourPop, these are both getting kind of dried out, so I think these are time to pass on. This Paris Escape from Clean Color, this is a little light for me, so I'm going to pass this on. Shop Miss A blushes are really nice, but I just want to see color-wise how things compare. You can see my swatches from my video, so don't mind those. Trying to multitask here. So that's a little deeper. That is really a pretty blush. This is where it gets hard. I like the mineralized ones better than this one. This is Love Cloud. I feel like this could be similar to, well, no, that's a lot brighter. Oh, that's pretty too. I think I'm going to get rid of this one in Love Cloud. And I don't need these two bright pinks. And this one is, let's see, this one is super bright. That one's a little more, well, they're pretty similar. I think I'm going to keep the Makeup Revolution and get rid of the e.l.f. I really like this Berry Mary blush. This is one of my favorites from e.l.f., so I'm going to keep this. It's a great fall blush, and it's got a little gold shimmer. Let's see. I really like this cream blush. This is like one of the only ones I have. I think I want to use up the Bennett tint, and I think I'm going to get rid of the Posy tint. The Posy tint just didn't really blow me away. Like, I just felt like it was kind of like, I don't know. Like, I'm just like, okay, yeah. It just wasn't something I was like over the moon about, so I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to try to use up this Bennett tint. Blush is hard because I don't want to have like so many repeats, but I really love blush. I used up my NARS O blush, and so this is a dupe for that. But this is also kind of dupe for it. But I don't know why I never find myself reaching for this Milani blush. I feel like I should, but I don't know why I don't. Let's see. I know I really like this one. I want to keep this one. These MAC Mineralized Skin Finishes are just so pretty. MAC, why? I'm going to get rid of this purple one. I mean, it's, yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of this one. Oh, this one is so pretty. That is so pretty. Maybe I'll give it another chance. I like this e.l.f. Pressed Mineral Blush in Wanderlust. This is discontinued, like that. I like these Ms. Chick blushes. I really like them. And I've, you know, suggested them to a lot of people. I feel like I need to get a little more use out of the pinky ones, so I'm going to pass this one on. Okay. So this one, I really like. This is more of a coral. You know, the e.l.f. blush palette, honestly, I just don't reach for it that much. I took the one blush that I really liked out of this and put it in the contour palette, so I think I'm going to get rid of this. It's really pretty, but it's like one of those blush topper colors. This is kind of a blush highlighter. Oh, man. I know, I look at all these and I'm like, why would I get rid of any of these? These are so pretty, but you know, you're always getting new things when you review makeup, so. That one's a little darker. It is matte. I'm going to keep this. Let's see, I've got these two e.l.f.'s. I really don't have a cream bronzer, so, well, yeah, I think I want to keep this one. And this, let's see, this is really, really nice. But I feel like someone could get so much more use out of this, even though it's super nice. Like, I really like it. But I have so many other bronzers that I'm like, I think I could pass that along. I think my niece would love that. Oh, this Essence Blush Up, I actually really like this. That's really pretty. It's a nice hot pink. This can go. And I think I'm gonna let these go. I know, it's crazy. Alright, and this is everything I'm keeping. Also keeping my Benefit palette. There's something I want to pan in there as well. So I have my Real Hair, my Santee Mineral Blush from Shop Missy. I did keep some MACs, 3, but I did get rid of 2. So there's a Be a Bombshell, a couple of e.l.f. blushes, a NARS, my Shu Mira, there's another e.l.f. Malibu Glitz, which comes from Shop Missy. My studio makeup, this is Luminous Loose Blush, my Milani Bennett tint, this Alouette face paint, this Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. This is really old packaging, you can tell. Okay, City Color, Makeup Revolution, Essence, and Too Faced and a Ms. Chick. So I feel like that's a good assortment of things I really enjoy. And again, like, I didn't get rid of half, but I got rid of quite a bit. I mean, this is everything I'm getting rid of. I've got rid of these 3 Macs, 2 Color Pops, a Mirabella, Elf. Oh, I want to keep this. Wrong pile. These little round ones, Posy Tooth, and another Elf. So, I'm still happy with that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter of all of my blushes. And I feel like I've definitely gotten rid of more than I've accumulated. So I feel like my quote-unquote stash is actually fairly reasonable. And I'm happy with this. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!